the din
bibia kama
bia kama
o party no so
in some pa nanso a sign ye fapim a sign bibia ye free ba a sign ye gidie ene ye bobie binti no achia kura ye betin.
Well, nkan komona nkasa de nke yen shase but once you respond say ensem wom ehina party ni free na bedu ha ensem abami
yo de di kan kra minchia wetifo wetifo a ewo bencheye ni echirichiri minchia Ghana fo a wo mu tie mu enyina minchia me party ma na sede da mini won bi din komo wo mo kasa fidi so a me hye won kran no say my party, right or wrong, I stand by you. Me chechia ubibia omayini MPP na shasie na mewo Popular Front Party na medimbi I dey call All People's Party no me ade nyina party ni ye wo su any ban bi ye wo values any principles any discipline bi and they to me nka say MPP a ye chichireye July 28th 1992 na darocha di animu darocha ejenimbo atin davia manum nyina dididi no sa party nye ene ne yehuni yema pi atochima say enye dakrope enye da obeto ebo etwa fraw na wonya mpafin nyema ne bi o ha ehya esase ache na yede no kokrasa saa na fedie agency 2024 ye ko elections I say hey ade mu hwe ne ye ye ko ye no Ghana for to abetia ye pa yankasa ye ho kura no ye to abetia ye ho in the sense instance ye be kwa akoto no yankoto na otietie mu besuko pensem mu tietie mu apart from amamu party bia eno de government per se nema miensa bi wo ha temamufo de boye subuo na omo ka kire ye se MPP aye nimu no enyemunie enti mumun kompon kwhwe mu achi mwasesa aye bibi foforo na se beya monsan konkosi mu dadem mu a ema odo soronko bi eba mo mu dadem bi a ema ye fa mo hye sani epesi hu ebi ni say oyenne ni dede bia na ba party no enye me pra na meka the first time look ya koto aba omse da bia ye beti MPP for mu nkan na eyisika che ana ye konsika ke bana say na Mokoto aba me ne on te compound house. We MPP ni we delegate. Me MPP ni me delegate. Mokoto aba buy there's a fridge down okon ho. Flat screen show motuem. Opa kiska show socks. Na ye wia ye mienu MPP for no. Wo be frɛ me sɛ me nkoto me ni wachi nkoto aba. Me nko. Ye kan. Na kamia ye sɛ saa kokobo no ye twi ye ni. Na to so mienu. Da bia wo beti oyenne wo party mu no. Na internal abattoir. Every polling station 3 a.m. Nye jina kwase ye to aba nsamanfo krada enso MPP for 3 a.m. ye jina kwase to aba so no nye yi we die frim nye ye we say nye say dey sa dede no wo mo mpatie na ye party for no aso say sa dede no munyai etwi yaso de toso miensa ene de metiasia enije ye kasa bi kasa bi eni se ye ka ma Ghana adishema asunti atenie bi a ensem fata yenko bi ho sem ya bi ye kasa no bu obi abonfia including our own party people so no ye ni nipa kasa te said de wo de ye kan yanka wonka ho Ghana fo ka kire say ye mpe ye boy ye kokko enti say wo se wo pe MPP a enye da rocha nom ni apkofo nom MPP a obuo ebi waye ho edo bi sonkon bi ema edom tudi yachi enye de ebinum ayomo ho ayi jaktola yemi watemo aye ho ntoye yampuma atwede aye ho ntoye all of those things na enka yesu ene ye ban ho no I will say son, near best so.
But a yadena area musa.
Well, say a sit napa am I free. So no. A drew baby near ma koye kakre bi mawa. Na kame aye wo se eno ano no. Edru baby so a nipa woji wo mu di party no animo kan no eno so hia o hwe ye koyi busu panyina ye nyi obi akeke
ye koyi busu
wo busu ye koyi busu panyina
enye obi na sese be kandifo
debi enye obi na wo be pene se obe wo busu panyina na mimisa wo ye koyi wo busu panyina na brevi wo mu a ye be ma brevi abe
dabi
obekasa ko brevi dabi
yenye obi asa keke
yes enti ye as ebusu ko party MPP e was saying ye fie ni say from all levels no why no mo say ene bedi animu why no mo say ene bedi animu say ne be ya yesu ene ye ban a ye wo no enchirima besua ye be nchirima oda busua bi mu a ye kirechiro niama ebusua we no ye gina ho ma ye kireo niama bi a efie ha ye mfa sa ma ha ebi o ho a sabe obi akoye bi kura no na se me papa o se ufrifie be mu wo ufie maami so mfefe ena wo yesa chese safie no ewo edin bi se so a wada na di no
enwanwa
emfrifie ho
ene ne bo ebra
esan se akyerɛkyerɛ bi koso wo fie ho Sanya mani na ye je muto ho. Enti na da bia me call radio so me say MPP for ye gidie ne say. Ufa ubisa nkramofra, they will give you the 5 pillars of Islam. Ubisa Christopher, they will recite for you the Apostles' Creed. MPP ye gidie ne say. Niema no pi wo wa ye to na sawram. Enti ema ye chirai. Ye nim ye ho. Enti na meka se unim babia wo free ba. Koduru babia wo dwense wo soko. Ena wo free ukrom hina ben a wo yira wo bedwam. Enti niema bi wo ho a na nka wo se ye niku ho as a party. Developing the party over time. You told me jejemu. Ene. Na se ye party di ye chichiri no foforo dia. E was sa niema ni nyina ye gidie ni sei su ni ban ene ye pene wo party mu. Su ene ban ene ye pene wo party mu. Look, ye peri ye. Party your constitution. And was say, ye say, or doni ebuobi by your bioa. We should be seen to be acting right. So no, nekodru baby na ya yen shishe ni yemrano. Akwai sa nansen tentai. Once na ne kakapenom ni ade ni timichi wo. Akasefo na omu bumra no so no de. Omu kra de omu tententai. So we have come to a position where the respect for our own internal rules and regulations, they don't work. So no. If you throw discipline out of the door, you are guaranteeing failure.
Well, Mr. Bahonia Twenkomba, just in from the New Patriotic Party. Submission of petition to the National Disciplinary Committee on the conduct of Mr. Kwame Bafo Abronye. The National Secretariat of the New Patriotic Party wishes to inform the public and all stakeholders that the General Secretary, Mr. Justin Kodia Frimpong, has formally submitted a petition to the National Disciplinary Committee regarding the conduct of Mr. Kwame Bafo, popularly known as Abronye DC. The petition outlines a series of actions by Mr. Bafo that are deemed not only unbecoming of a member of the party. Just a minute. Just a minute. Making Kamwa dear mamu. Unbecoming. The petition outlines a series of actions by Mr. Bafo that are deemed not only unbecoming of a member of the party, but also gravely detrimental to the image, unity, and integrity of the organization. Key concerns raised in the petition: 1. Defamation of a senior party member. Mr. Bafo is reported to have publicly insulted Honorable Ken Ohene Japan, a distinguished member of the party, with derogatory statements, including a claim that even the elephant has more wisdom than Honorable Japan. Such remarks are unprintable, defamatory, and damaging to the reputation of Honorable Japan and the party at large. 2. Baseless allegations against the General Secretary. Mr. Bafo further alleged that the General Secretary deliberately concealed a report that purportedly implicated Honorable Japan as the destroyer of the party and recommended his expulsion. These allegations are false, malicious, and injurious to the integrity of the office of the General Secretary. 3. Misrepresentation of committee findings. Additionally, Mr. Bafo has purported to disclose and misrepresent the contents of a disciplinary committee report, alleging that it catalogued various offences attributed to Honorable Agyapong. Such conduct constitutes a serious breach of confidentiality, discretion, decorum, and party discipline, while also undermining the authority of the committee. And then the relief that have been sought. In light of the foregoing, the petition respectfully requests the National Disciplinary Committee to 1. Conduct a full and impartial inquiry into the conduct of Mr. Kwame Bafo Dodonald from Abronye, DC. 2. Apply the appropriate disciplinary sanctions in accordance with the party's constitution, as his conduct constitutes defamation, misconduct, and gross indiscipline. The party emphasizes that ensuring accountability within its ranks and is non-negotiable because it safeguards the unity, integrity, and credibility of the organization. The leadership remains committed to fairness, discipline, and the protection of the party's democratic values. A sign, Justin Kodua Frimpong. So, just in again, this is from Kwame Bafo Abronye. My attention has been drawn to a social media communique issued by our great party and duly signed by the General Secretary, Lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodua, inviting me to appear before the party's National Disciplinary Committee. I hereby write to indicate my full preparedness and willingness to appear before the committee to comprehensively lay bare and substantiate the antichrist actions and inactions of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, which has undermined the cohesion and integrity of our party. Since the referral was made public, I therefore propose that the sittings of the committee be conducted openly and broadcast live, so that the rank and file of our noble party may have the opportunity to witness at first hand the manifest antichrist posture and conduct of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. It's signed Kwame Bafo Abronye. This is your party.
Ariel. Nyedikai General Secretary Asambeton anymore. Na dwuma ne say obetwro sality under Article 4 of the Constitution, disciplinary processes. To na dwuma. So as to whether how Abronye was served, I don't know, because in response to man appear say on the social media and so no, you don't serve. I don't think say. I don't know if that is the case, but General Secretary Atro the required letter or the aba. I want to assume, say, Abronye was duly served, properly and duly served. That's what I want to assume. Unya such a letter, you respond in a manner a party name. She enye nsem nyina na yeka asem bia wo ekwan ye fa so kanu bia ye kanu so no asem bi so wo ho a ohome so ansa na wayia no ubisamia MPP, there's too much talking in the public.
Kasana dos.
So no enye no na Ghana for epetio hwe Ghana for or to aba ana aban bia obe or pa banya or pe obia or be solve the day-to-day problems. You did there politicians you did there yeah no and impress Ghana for sao
they know
in fact a year hwe was sorry anopa afi no okopedu kokobianu na politicians yet radio so na ko and
it doesn't solve the problem.
It doesn't solve the problem. And man headache cry. And ye as politicians, I was see a TRC say, your Germany say, ye did solutions Ghana for in their day-to-day problem. A lot of times, sir, journalists be invited me na yeko confrontational issue na. See, look, so we frame me, and I will say, we dream chire ewo youth unemployment and say me no bekasa. Na so we ako ti we na we ako kawe. Sagrono, me ni sagrono. The Ghanaian public wants to hear from politicians how we are going to deal with their issues and solve their problems. Enti koka no, respectfully, MYA. So, mini aketo abronye. General Secretary Achro. Wa respond angebere. Wa respond no fa phone for General Secretary say me hunu social media sokra. Meba. No one respond in the public. Kebere.
Say the party is not in normal times. You admit to that?
I admit to that. But we do not have to accept this low norm. I will say you sue, you buy any ye be raising level. So no. Into the bit they call for one. Na sebe abronya unsa kind. We say no, this is not right. Off a phone. Just go there. When I dey adhere to social media. Why you ye? Now so me mean few sir me catch row say date me no agree date me ba na one will let it now me da public or response now me da public e dey asem pa na nkebisi.
Maybe one person who admitted that Rocha Jenim Boateng those days processes, due process, fairness, party commitment, party loyalty, but what described the MPP now as losing that way, no, from that Kane MPP. So these are some of the benefits of Muripu.
Well, you see, say, any day, no cre. So one ya woni me biye. So one she show ni me biye. Na odi to na mo bia. E be hwegu. So ne hwegu a oto obuase. Esan hye niema ni yie. Ebe o kechire yie. Se ne ebe ya o san soa enkohwiem.
Ba crossroad road la mojina. Mo hunu se mokoma bu na ese mo hihye mo ne
ya hunu enye nyina so ne yebe hunu. Nye nyina so ne yebe gi atom. So no. But ye nyina nkrani mu ntutu nkrani. Enti wo hunu a wo hunu no. You are the one to lower the temperature. Yeah, sometimes only you require now a shouting argument in the house. You know what the best solution is? Just keep quiet. Or kwen edru baby a bafo. Ana chungu free fi ho. Na only ni jina ho to momento a anu no da. It doesn't mean you are wrong. It means you want to establish peace. So no. When Christ says turn the other cheek, no oninch or on chere say yenyan kwasiafo.
And now we jimfo.
We jimfo. Send dia obeya asumudie beba no. And now until let away nyano in public. kebede no afre kodua say the committee no ma from member we agree on time. When you use language like obi antichrist and you share
open live broadcast to demonstrate that.
No, but he doesn't have a right to demand how the committees. We have a constitution, we have processes, we have precedents. So no. Say Yafrel, are you going to say if those things don't happen,
to give more people the benefit of the doubt in Smokai?
You see, MPP or a problem is we think we are the only ones who are right. When Kasem Tietio, Secretary General Atro, or Sisei Nayate, you, Secretary General, Ebian Kaminyaya, enka o serve me properly through the due process. Abronye mubia ni mbebia mewo. Enti nka mo de letter be share me nsem. Ana uni me WhatsApp substituted service. Uni me WhatsApp, uni me email. Ena mo de brebe na anko social media. Enka me penisa. But nevertheless, we general secretary why a mistake kura no. Me abronye. Esa nse me pass umdwe wo party dum ti no. Wo de yemfa no nto nchen. Kodia invitation no mapene so meba. This is the agreed time. Katiti kasemi ka kochiri bebia e wo secretary. Wo kwa asam kura wo sa wo beka no. No waka. Fear without fear and favor. So no. Now sometimes so ya suban bia etwa mu kono. Ene de de sa ne maybe eswaba. Katasu mu aso. Asamba yes ye pasem surasem. Ti asem bi ba ye kan na akoye konyo ye di afaha ne ye di afaha. Asamba na wangwa yani nimu kre ampemu anka sa trouble sina edibo
but udni ni pebizu din koma some of the issues somebody ba up and say until January 2026 babetwema obato abayi Frankatuni no some of these measures, this impunity bon akokudu edi boni aka nsem fata sa nidi ni bua eniho sa party na intimin kansie ni you know until that point it's difficult to get that
well ye nipa na yegu party nipa ho adwuma so eden e wo se ye nyina nya ntiase bi ni atenka se ye som party first nyema ni pi wo ho a ye kanu entry vote mawo so we a party bar can who say at the end of the day you perceive akra any votes ebedom yen for 2028 enti ansa na obe bie wanon ansa na obe di mensem bisa who say so ade a make okay so ade a me ye ebeboa e di vote beba ana ebema ye ho ye hit the more ana ebe pam ni pabi cry free yentem so bekaya I wrote epistle number 2 me say ebenu Alan de ono aka na buso asem wato paper so oko na dodo bi wo ho a wakam mem enso na koma mu de ye ho afun na o twen se ye bekọ akoto aba na ho na obekire ye piga ampani ampa so no ni me bi wo ho a ye ya bisa ho se woni we bebo apati e bebo wo kura no a enye wo de e medikan ebeboa party na boa party sometimes a boa party ne tia wo kora no a som saa esen se ne dodo no ene ye de ye konkan enti se impunity bi wo ha every ba if you did not deal with the impunity of the past and you become complicit, dealing with impunity today becomes difficult. Say obedience and fun maybe a trip. So no. Now we are shahain. Uchi weni. And now crack uko she kutupa. Obedience na obetimi aka. Eba saa. Nanka wanka saa. Ubua attain. No, I complicit. Now, when lose moral authority to impose discipline or to judge, ya fasa nieme mu bia. So no, and no ena edia bedru baby a. Nipa bi feel say obenten ye wafa no ho adi. Ntimi asmesime ya obiya no ho asem bia.
Say na osi asoso niema so sa.
Ya soso niema.
And killing it now no. How do we kill it?
We have to. So no.
Because I know that na ye nanado ye Jacob for fashion. And he also saw the Yegusu sa and ene akojina fashion Godfather and afi that monetary aspect abira amanyo sim all parties, i.e. your party. Inti hwe sa nyoma we na hwe ene atenia benya abasobode e wa amanyo sim na obia sabi unya kukutu di atem now can your man say fatana na party any Ghana edawase. So how do we kill this?
Well, it's a change in leadership style. Ebinumuka say leadership is the cause, everything is effect. Say ya can deform. Yensi yabo se enough. Ebia de atwa mu no ya ye mistakes entwam. Na efri na ekro de ye ba obia akokose. Saa niema bia ekoso yensuso so bio. So no yensuso bisuyo. We are in politics there. Ye the numbers na ye. No correct. Na numbers ne ebia addition, ebia subtraction, ebia division. And be a multiplication. Obeshe na Jack Toronto be a better party. Nini ye binti no. Dudu no abeka se. Watching.
The train of you.
So no. Obisu wa. No abeto ya konhwe biaba. Oba ye no or the don ene kasade ene nam. Enti onu senti no e de nipa onu twedom ni so ne ban bi twedom e de breye enti sa try aka try say ye de dodo na ye no ye hwe ni ye de all say ade so so de all ye ni ye a all twe akra ne dom aba no sa ni su ne ban ne ye ene so and we shouldn't be afraid. Look, Elise ye different se we die ye to me kanasem ye to me kananimu asem. The requirement of leadership is that you act without fear or favor. Soldier for military doctrine adage be say the public execution of one is the instruction to the whole battalion. Obedi to say the platoon commander and a brigade commander order a retreat. The bugle sounds a retreat. There is an order of retreat. Yes, we take bugle na we take command na no be sorry na prepare. It is orderly retreat will finish the whole battalion. They know that. Ain't no how the retreat is going to be done, knowing say you are going to sacrifice some people, right? But if you are the platoon leader or the brigade commander, you know that well. And I was soon say, oh yeah. Now go kase na na me warfare sibia or platoon no na you lose your ability to lead.
2 minutes after 4, higher Sempa 94.7 Ekosi Senju. If you've just joined, Ira Boache Jako na Yenono Ebo Eye Enkomo Ewa. So, Ira Jako, I'll just wrap up with you on your party matters. Then I'll come to your person and other matters. Right? Then we'll end with the Ghana bit. Okay, a space now after new government. 9 months in government, 1 or 2 years. Uncommon. But from the conference, Legon Stadium to this point. And your message in the right direction for your party?
If you ask me, who beside me pa and sa and there's a sacra a year too slow. French for almost can't assembly or say plus a chance plus la même chose. The more they say it has changed, the more it looks the same.
Yeah,
the more it looks the same. Plus a chance, plus la même chose. Baby, we need a radical transformation. A kukudropa. You seize the bull by the horns and drag the bull where you want it to go. Na akoya se motro modo kokurasa ya pesi sisa look, at the end of the day, and yes, I need a radical surgery. Meaning, it is a faster pace because you nimresa. Nima a wase ya sisa shishen yino. Ibua basa. Enti minya motromo droko krasa at a slow pace. To be some Americans say minya yanka. Ya causing it said yeah go. And so situation bia and a rational situation. So no said ye wusi penono and said ye wusi tiasie and yes sana e bia dodo no tiasie into dia krokro ene kasade ene inchiremu ene manipa hu se e da bi yanka na moyeto na yanka ye hu e sign say ya anye ne sa bibi behwere
mami 30th September 2025, a call to duty, MPP National Chairmanship. I have had consultations with members of my family and those who are very close to me and whose lives will be most affected by the decisions I make. I have also listened carefully to what the broad masses of our people, our party people, and indeed many outside our party are asking of me. Having factored in all the considerations, I see it as my burden. That's obligatory. You are obliged, yeah. Hey, Chief, no. Hey, duty to respond to this call to duty and hereby announce that I will contest for the position of national chairman of my party upon the opening of nominations, and is signed Boache Tremantin Ejako. Katawe Fuho. Mamini kai they will say when we go there all the data this size they document there but I want to be sure say why we are not being David if you walk
me am a brof and I'm signature so na chassis
the umbiano, that is it.
That is what I have written.
If you never do hey
Yefihina bedru
kratawe
Yefihina bedru saying
ebrebe na we buy ewie peyo.
Well, as you know, since 2006 and Mimpenyufo be notably J.H. Mensah, B.J. Darocha, Bitala Jetenum, enemy ding komo se ura American what na ibia eye enti bra na said ye wo papa no besom ye no wo so besom party. In fact nipa mienu a minim so omne ye di sa nkomo me any obimbuzia enti aye bibia akonkon ho for a long time. Initially me ba presidential 2007-2008 anye. Then I decided to stay some party. Na sumo America 20 something years aye me some me party ne me mind. Me cycle presidential eno so amfa na dodo no enemy di komona party no egu party ne say wo na obetimi asom atnetre no kasa no ko pa na to be honest with you first na me family esan experiences bi na me hunu ewo party
Asempa FM.
yen kan ko see no
Asempa FM.
those experiences no the situation anom wo mu no enti se enne situation ya aginsem kura na asembia ewo nimra yeka enne kwaya ye fasoka enne baby ayeka no enti chairmanship asem no koso na nkomodie na wachire ni eninwie asem bi wo ho a yankogina aniabua ebiso wo ho a yedi hu nkomo ede kotosre ne chewpa ene nemu ene dwatoa ansa na yedi sankomo na wie politician bia wo see big stage so no se wenya wo mane wo yire ne wo busuafo no ne ade enyina wo chi pintin a wo fie nyo e makon no so yedin se politician wo fie nyo a wadwene ni wa wo de be adwuma
fie jadawa
o fie ejadamu a ena o mane wo yire ne wo busuafo enta wo chia the sacrifices any dedication e was say unya no unya make I me campaign manager for President Akufo-Addo metimiti shim 2-3 weeks na me mai most of the times me drive up enam e bichini echini na ofie nyo ya obetimi akọ 2 weeks obetimi akọ 3 weeks debi obeba na ya pack ya pack ni amako so no enti no wo se me ne ebusuan me mani ebusuan nyina din komo bi ema esipi
omunyo mo ntiase
se ya papai dwuma sei ena ode ne ho kwa akohye na enokra wo mu se wo mu dodo no a na omdi yaw se ya ma wa fra America betna we mu ya yewe nia ya de papa yenya ya anka frontline politics de ka tro na kakra aka wata so fa he because wo mu so wo mu de pa de wo enti it took some time trying to convincing na unya pene no a ansa na watimi anya kokodro say now I will go forward. Enti dru baby no ko Kumasi na constituency chairman no chairman hwe omudi I'm see you mudi amunkoso na we afre na essay say nyame fie ni wo mo be me nkomo no NCP no uni hweka so no enti na wo se me twen ma twen so a ejabo menya pene no na wo se aho heri muntentem no ano me ma obi ate se ade no sei na akosi enti na we abe na omane nankasa breaking news story breaking ho dwirime response menya ensabi kura ekotia menano a enne wo mo agyeginam no unse nyankopon ho na mefa wakonya nso na menna obi biarase wo mo edem a etu edimachi wo mo ede opepa ne akomapa basa wo mo beboa me do bi biase na dwuma no afa na hyase ma obi abebu nkobu akwantimfi ko boni se economy kogbo mo obebu nkobu wa akwantimfi adwuma edaye nim no eso edu na minim se de mpanyi kan benu so emia tie nyina ye pempen so na kroka bom se party ni babia akogina no enye saa ne ye pe no nemo e o se say ne ye pe no ebeye looking back na nkrofo ayi na jakun beyadi no was odwini hu ye because na me mpese ebekwa akodu baby a na afuno aya afuno so no na me mpensa enti I had to take my time, and in taking my time no it even sent mixed signals to people but say there you see the p so no o da ko bi mu a me de mentiase ene de mahunu se o da ko bi mu a na ebusua bi mu a enye de wo nko a wo pe ena da bia wo ye to da bia nyema bia enwunu atantan die bi anka wo mfa wo ho nyim emfa wo ho fore na ese ekuo ni ye die ne kankronti no okato ani no som akoma pa ne wo ho odin nyina no pejesi ho MPP ye gina bia ne say that ye ti mesre amanfo anka wo mo so abufuo binti yawdie binti atantan die binti me kode kotose pa obi a chose ye bin pempenso bia se ye peniye dia ene emfa bibia nto nchen ne mo yen sori waka ne nyinam na nanu sembia esisi ye no yeninsin wamnam se yamani sibio
but difficult because your person you've suffered for this party, some of the curves no draw quite worrying if you share when you munyama free America bedom the new patriotic with one of the shocks brow chun free nanado amemum ebesine sanchire mun ne santias and party for the do nano enyanya. Some feel that you carry that heavy load of pain and bitterness into this decision that you have arrived at no maybe it's a time to show people that, well, now I have the power. We'll see who is the man.
Power, yeah, the sum. Ubia, the tumi besha wonsa. Udi bedia nyambra sebno. About triso. So, no, I am not bitter. Hear me from KO111 Asante New Town.
Asempa FM.
Besine.
Asempa
FM. Nyankopon ayama me eni mebusuan. Se me the bitterness etna wiase a na manyi na ye. Kamin sem fata. Nanso oni na oni ne oyo. Ena omayini. Yinina our journey through life any straight line. Any straight line so that it's sign say, look, Hebrews chapters 12, 11 and 12. Or those Christians say God or chastising to teach us, to refine us. And yes, will be a ukomutoti no. Ebe yes na wan ko yiti trubia. Nenu monchimon kanu a obefem. Ebe kire wonyansa, ebe monsu ehunu bi, ebe bie wani no. Eni na ma oye odefo.
But not a situation where, for instance, you are that special friend to our sitting president. I mean, the former president. One day we are waking up and that's it. You are no more in his government.
That's okay. Only the Juma Mami. He has every right. Oh, may a woman not title be and time who's a minister. And when I did to me, Shannon, no say Jackum be away, mommy. He had every right and authority to say so much money for mom. He said you Timono or raw car for Betty. Who wants a biaka? Ode eno to nchen a me kasa bebre entoponko he ena ba ena hey that time this government was at a point, a critical point, heavy transformational agenda. Ejuma da ban so asodie da yen so na me kwahwe apa me na me beye dedama you lose focus. No. Omahini. Christ said, no kujina Pontius Pilate. Edia no kan. Okana no tum. Kotimiji nkonyama Pontius Pilate kranko ira. No butu oyira. So no. Yakochi no garden no Peter twa obi aso. Ofatare. Yes. Ma Odri Pontius Pilate and Kotimi ye bibia esanisan yobia esane no. Nanso nko yesa kan kwaje no kama. So what I say? Ohwe bio so a bafo sakuto.
Former great Mr. Papa.
That me papa yonko pa. Obam papa wa Satan is sakura na papa. Kwasi no papa so ewie bi so num ti. Oba papa so ti enko ni ye. Ba kwasi agya ko ba mu anum ti. Shishi ewia be 3-4 shishi. Kwasi uti de menum na ti emme ye num ane ye de fa adwene. Osi ye num de fa adwene. Bafo sakuto enkomo to ne nisi asante hene so no chitwe so no NLM nsem ye ka otimitwi ne ho se hey me de mi wura ne suma me nanko yisa sante hene nanso debi odwini sante me ho se asem to sante hena ensi asante meyi enti oje fai se ono ena akofa semo aba sante hena di stulo no to a stool no you know as chief linguist. So no you know as chief linguist. And no just so I ma sante ni chirichie ne komu hen ha. They had to sacrifice. Na bafo nankasa na obia sacrifice for him earlier on. Kumasi prisons. LLM time for sapon no name a ye kwesi adanom ye twobo yempene. Ena etua ekura bafo no it discharged any kumobi. Ayaya na ntwibo buasiakon. Oshimtuo no free bafo nsem. So netoye. Se ye di murder charge beto bafo so. Lie.
The one Boesiaku ni titi achimani free by
well, that is a previous Boesiaku. When no Boesiaku, he was hanged in Kumasi prisons.
Hanged?
Yes. Sometimes, in any leadership role, you have to bear the burdens of people. Sometimes it only means that what they are going to. And now for
leadership.
Look, leadership is a lonely and a painful role.
Leadership.
Mekaunai.
Can
so really year. Hey, is open you to sumna. Huh? Obia de akantan de bia be go so. And so what one want to. If you choose to lead, then you are choosing to bear the burdens of the people you are leading. Intimen ko jitu mi say wo de betro obi. Enya 4 years. Na wo kire ni pakro no. Na de no nya free.
Asempa FM.
So no. My attitude is that this party is the faith of my fathers. It is my inheritance and my heritage. Nti dansa boa ekwan bia ye de beye party ni yie no ye mfa so nya na sebe wabeje chairman wo so ko kire hwan where power lies power be
2 minute crowd no
na nipa ko so party de kura we ja be ndai party nipa so ko kire no tumi no o se party ni kura mejai ana won nyamen formal no nkosi sum na so on tiase bio obia wo feel say the to me mo na wo de be memo wa battery soro yankopon no bebre wase mi hu obia odi to me aya yakayaka dia esini yie. So for me it's not about showing any power. I could be very well content and sit back. And me at this point, I have nothing to prove to anybody. I've proven it over and over again. The day I was made vice president at the Bank of New York, I felt fulfilled. I felt fulfilled.
Sadano.
Yes. Masa, when you me fair more than I'm could draw. When you me fair more sana. A honorable bones of Kwesi Bruni bad. Or no srekwa. So no. And Tinyesa fe na me be pre. Bibi. Me the sremi debia e jako de ne duane ani ti ni gari. Nya fe na me be pre bibi. So no. Enti me majip post way set me di be when am de echire. Akufo-Addo se ngrofofo se Akufo-Addo na me ni konya we didn't president we enti dia na wo kire
ebi ni mo bopo masa ye peje wa na yesa kire we free sa office no ebemu kasa bebribe nam sa free office office no
enne me free ho no enne ni pa bomidimpa Ministry of Energy. Nipa bo midimpa. So no. Joseph. Ni anom born ho po eton no ma Ishmaelite. Ewi ase don kacha. Muna mo je nse me na mo anya me.
Na me prime minister.
Enso nyame de fa kwan bi so agi akra. Se wan fa sa nsemeni afutuo anto wo kra so a onye obi boni wa na obeye ho boni bebi Nyankopon pese odi wuduru no wuduru hoda because one kasa wakoyesi akwan
nyoma ewo trim.
Yes, nyama edwo trim da wakoma so se eye fi na nye papa why what don't see akwan ama wo kra.
Now look at your competence, look at who you are, and then this is what your party you've sacrificed for. Edibemau, and yeah, so sad, and you're worrying. It doesn't bother.
No,
the interpretations on it, the spinning.
Yeah. Say, who did the nipa nyina become afa ho chira? You stop living.
The nipa kafa.
Oh, you stop living. Just have confidence in who you are and yourself. Jiwundi. So no, me papa ochire say wusi sisa wo bobra. Live your life like pages. Huh? Page bia ye be 10 no. We yamo show say na page we dey
no. Better form.
Debi
bibia e kama wo.
Bibia.
The page 1, page 2, page 3.
So wadwene mu fine. Wakoma mu fine. Onwene bone mu bia. Bone nto.
But the kind of mindset we have, the orientation we have, share it with us. This is not even the MPP. How much more that environment, that space, na person looking at your person. Anyhow.
Okay, so we are sitting on anyhow. We are saying okay, so anyhow. Christokrade ni amfanya. Womo di na chi Peter no nyina. Eduru baby no mo dwane. We are sitting no and your how. So no, because the powers that control the world, or how no more than and it's out to viasi na usro or how any baby another planet baby for cover and your how me kosum ye at the ministry a juma me koye no makumem meaning say I did my best, right? And I showed results. I've showed the results. The we be catch the biano. Who kohwehwe mu a na wonya bibi beti am ya friend. Na me free ministry ho August 6 2018 me boa. Obi frɛ me misa amasembia. Yako peja bibia kuku bibia slam na theater. Womu sabi womu kobo pono. They have their own conscience. Let their conscience deal with them. Saying be or say born into this world, right, with a clean mind. Your conscience, you and your day-to-day living, no, and then but the crucial part is your conscience is a flawless judge and jury that will question you when you are wrong and acquit you when you are right. When you are right, your conscience is a flawless judge and jury that will question you when you are wrong and acquit you when you are right. Utrimu bua Nyankopon mo obi abi. Utrimu bua obi a obi. Wo ye papa wonim. Wo ye boni a onim. Na ukowura wo dem na wo nko na wo da wo mpaso a. Ehọ na temu no. And sa temu no ano hye sin se de me begyina ho abosobo.
Asempa FM.
Wa wo bo ho sobo a yasin the obi ball ho so ball, because me ball so boy you try and defend yourself. Wow, utrimu bua bu fa. How are you defending yourself?
So how does the Ejako chairmanship, how would it look like?
Yedikai the beya ema party no ehwa ya kono de ma animunyam bia ba party no de ma odone ahosepa bi beba party no mu a obia ebeye na honwa ho asay me ye MPP ni.
You are bringing back that
has to happen. And sana we so troops in the army troops no enya akukudro bi ene opepa bi akotwe akraba so no waye mobomobo wodoso no tim ene onyunya onko frɛ hwan enti we need to restore the dignity, the confidence of this party. And it will mean that doing the right things. It will mean that we have to be disciplined. Discipline ourselves. Right is right, wrong is wrong.
But files are corrupted though.
Oh, something you corrupted files. You was software the correcting it. Cleaning. So no, nothing is beyond repair. What is missing is the will and the courage to do what is right. To me, that's what is missing, and I would want to restore it. Your history, money, your files, more. Nema be brave a foot will be. In fact, one letter, one letter that I read all the time. J.B. Dankwa letter, July 22nd, 1954. To the General Secretary, Staki Skek. Or make 3 main points. I never believe that we can build our party's financial position on the basis of compulsory level on a few.
On that basis?
Yes.
It's not possible.
No. Preference
conference.
£5.
Yeah.
Na your conference or Cape Coast. No, so
but that has been the norm. No, say look, you don't build a party on such subscriptions. We have to make this party a mass party. Maybe I say do one party. But listen to the next paragraph. I'm one of those who do not believe that a party is made by a sweep of propaganda vans. I believe that until our party becomes identified with the popular and general cause, which would appeal to considerable sections of our people, even the masses, any expenditure of money and energy would result in the stalemate of a negative election result. 1954. And
July 22nd, 1954.
It's happening.
He insisted to say the party must be a mass party. In his mind, you are controlling the party. You are not growing it.
But that's what is happening.
Well, we need to grow the party and not control it. Ain't it me? From 19 say we have to do a membership card, a biometric membership card for everybody. Obia or semi percent me don't MPP. When you
FM. Asempa
MPP. Ye tumia Ghana card for 18 million people. 4 million members in Intimina
Asempa FM.
No Obia
Asempa
and no bedroom. So no. Se kwese nipa kakra bi na dabia wo mo no dru bedwom dodo no abetiada
se mo so wo mu na nye
ai munya me hwe so no look dabia ye kan se nipa 2.1 million ankoto aba ne edi na kire se 2.1 million be san aba they do omunye yanko. We do not own them. They love this party. They will only continue to love this party if we do right by them. So no. Because don't want P say MPP no power. Say MPP no opposition. Na brabon se sound. And maybe early 1992 no me there you twitwa sekan wo your opposition you twitwa sekan ne atwam ene ehuro ne ebehuru ana adwuma bi ne ma wonye but so be beje won kwan free won sem because of politics ne twam enti oti brahaba bome ana oti tendugu ana pielungu ho baby ana sakote na MPP wa bam or your MPP supporter. The party aba have onyaka free. Na brabo ensisa. Enti sa wo tete no a. What you know?
Mpe ha obia.
Eh just say
already bibiansi.
Bibiansi. Enti I was saying as leaders no na dabia no ya ma wo mwani ka party no ho any party no enkranhye nkoma ya ni on bedi ni nyina aboa ema eye na ho ase party ami wo mu party ami wo mu obi kura kai me look let's say 4 million members. You collect Obia database, and the computers are big. You can say on send 1 million messages in a day or the beko. And the fun say all the members are there. You will be a date of birth. Not will be a date of birth when you message. Happy birthday from MPP. And then the bear the fasting, sir. And now your girls get see Valentine's Day. Not party I send over Valentine's. You see, I was saying a journey nipa say asemesia old party echi. Sabin prayer sir. Kwahwe pa onye bibi afrim. Yeso die ne betumi aye ama ne kra aba no ho.
No so part of
yes.
So abusuya na abachichire.
Nanka. Na busuya no wan chichire ne yi ansomu ya ehwete. So no wan chichire ne yi anchire mu yi ama obi ehunu se senti na me dom me free me se me ka busuya. Enne enkoda ni bebre ubisan se uye aduane ni wo se no no de onim kura onim adukuru de ntia oye aduane ni akwa bi na ye chia ya whatever say ebi obejusi say eyi wajime ebi a ahenewa na we said na now waje udene also waje me thank you onim
you waje me thank you
so
wakatwem ko odo ko no
so
waje me thank you
enti wa say ma yanka say yankofo no enya ahofa ma bi enya anigye bi se ekuei me ka ho ye kan me bi ka ho enya dimu bi a ye che ne mmon nkaye bi a ombehu say we are part of this and we are happy with it.
Well, I pray say a solution to monocracy a unity the bigger picture body politics but we'll narrow down to your party, the New Patriotic Party, because it's becoming such a shameful act.
Very new na omaiwe ankasa no sika dan bosomo ayeso sika adan bosomo ayeso and money has become the god we worship in this country.
And you're okay.
Yeah, a Christopher, you have to go back to the Calvinist doctrine, what they call the Protestant ethics and the spirit of capitalism. Sikano, yankase fum natraso. You see, unye sika ejumadin ene edipeska, enye lotto ne kill me quick ene edipeska. Ejumadin ne sikano unya. That's why I said the poor will be with you always. Catholics or more theologian be a friend of Christosum, John Christosum. Or say Sikano, one a penya ye po, and na a wunya be a dear ye dija wokranoa. Kai who say Sikanina and Yamedia. Now, or the mount. C'est façon. Messieurs, niema bebre free. Me ma sitra me kase look. Sika mi nyina no. Nyankopon ne de mame o de mame sing. De me nko amedi. O se bo achi you de kakra no a ewom no free. De aka no fa ko de dwuma be man.
Fasom nipa.
Fasom nipa. Na wan fa anya wa bo Nyankopon kro no. Dwuma o de be diu no ho.
Are you a spiritualist? Religious? You believe in something?
I'm trying to serve God and do His will. Menka se me ye training ni. Menka se me so me dai. Menka se me ye prophet. Menka se me wo any spiritual powers. I'm a very ordinary person. Adumni mo bro nu binti ena medru sabre. On 3 occasions, I was saying, "Me,
Semper FM."
Time, sir. I was saying, "Ka, near me be shremino and shreme." So no. Nami akramia a bedroom in Pempensway. Me eriasia miti nano na me kana akoyo da fomche. Me say I don't want to be remembered or regarded as a rich man. No. I'd rather want to be remembered and regarded as a kind man. So no. Sikabe break eba party. Why is it? It is because you're creating a small class of people who are entitled to make decisions and therefore are entitled to whatever benefit. So far we are going to Kufo time omo to Kufo nabano. No me 1992. When I want to me fan shobuto. Say 2008 we are less than 5,000. Then we came to about 200,000. Now we are going to about 300,000. Compared to normal to Abamaye general election, 4.2 million. Even in our worst times, sometime Akufo at the time it was 6.7 million. Some for no, almost a party man, now party sympathizers. So, one bedroom. 300,000 and no one bed a bedroom bedroom. Woman can't open. Until you've created a small group of people who can appropriate rent and entitlement. Oh my honey, young fan say, Yayen she say every card bearing member betwa banibi. And we know if we 19 Heyman committee report 2009. Say 1 man 1 vote. Every party member man card non to abanibi. Let us assume say you have 4 million card bearing members or more to aba. Obahini 4 million uko hu omo hen watch scam 4 million. Ena sikanu sign ena wo che ebeso weni asesa wo adwene se omo meto aba omo eninti no omo meto aba emaw so no let's say 4 million. Also more be 10 cedis, right? Maybe 3. We are talking 40 million cedis. 10 cedis. Now I can say 10 cedis in Tina. A best so be a journey. Okay, so more be 500 cedis. Just all come Bank of Ghana. Now tell me we are 4 million or more and not a bena will charm on. So you have to push the limit beyond the capacity to distribute the money. So no. And now 4 million now the Sikakoma 300. And I believe so one of the ways to kill this is to enlarge the base so much so say it doesn't make sense to pay anything to anybody. That's one way. The second thing is,
before I become second, hardly do I do this, but my name becoming comedy dovetails in Victoria say, Honorable Bachi, all that you are saying, a mini BBR to MPP. All they know is money. The highest bidder wins. MPP is now Nana's People's Party. And what will be yours?
So no sooner doing.
So true. The intensity of the
I do not entirely disagree. Say Sika Adanye Sobusum. So no. Na se uya busum ne chiwadea osoro so nyesa. Enti se Sika bedan so busumwa. Ene esa busum ne ye be ne chiwadea mo osoro so. We all have to bring our minds together and say, how do we cure this? How do we cure this? The second thing is that, you see, you make it painful or costly for somebody who be by bribery. So, look, if we discipline ourselves enough, and if we catch somebody doing something, right? In America, in the corporate world, there's something called summary dismissal. When you be in some fatakra on the spot, you are out. To say the public execution of one is the instruction to the whole battalion, and yet easy. I'm not me metna hanka say eye better me be di chairman na me de mensa pim table so ana ya solve adwuma no ebeye din nanso wensi wo bosa wo ya ebeti apa some sing say the say
Jacko, we need to be wrapping up. This is a sweet message for you and some wabe end debate with
JB Dankwalete.
Thank you. Omai, good evening. I am enjoying your conversation with Honorable Boakye Jaku. He is really healing the New Patriotic Party with his unique communication in our current situation. The elders of our great party should begin the reorganization with such unifying message. My regards to him. Enti lawyer Afuakwa. Ana onosudiwe.
Lawyer Afuakwa.
The or your party but. Finally, here we are, 2004 elections. Ghana decides.
2024
elections.
Okay.
Ghana decides, and it falls on the NDC under John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. 9 months into the administration, one of the key things of Mamuni na abaya dadwen kesiamaye ekwa epesi yakutia efoma gudia yetua
galamse
into no ne kwaso. In fact, your government na famudie abaya we so ye hweso be na famudie. In fact, wa sha see yetua anamo key among that anamontu ni say abaya say enimeni yai the 44 forest reserves na ya same with sa adwuma no Obama asrafo akọ permanently no we declare honum military zones sa na yensuo no so nyina so no asrafo bambo ebi page ade mu yie pa. Are we closer to getting the results that we all need as a country?
Mintimin kansu ka ensi su dia say we are getting closer. You see, sir, a former goodie ni tuo no. Make I say 2017 na abain mu ye di san komobi. Asoma me kan say adiwe wan kone ni breswa. It turns into a civil war.
Civil war.
Yes. Let me give you examples. Now Congo DR, between Bakongo and Kolwezi, a you phone free or Belgians in the free or no. The problem is see between Kasavubu, Chombe, and Patrice Lumumba. Simon say it was all about mining rights and mining revenue. Mobutu, Chombe, and Kasavubu. Between Bakongo and Kolwezi. No phone, sir, up to this day. Problem a Eastern Congo DR, Goma. Ninanye efomo gudie tu ya. Ama Rwanda krade no wajib. Wan swano an kone mubreswa. DCR. Oba West Africa. Menim sa okay General Momo. He was one time the military leader of Sierra Leone. Ano de mo G diamond smuggling, mining and smuggling illegal. And a man, Captain Strasser, Ebetun, General Momojane, Captain Strasser Subetran Solo. No one say, hey, say head. Strasser Suyetun. The time of the two Strasser no, and na Sierra Leone Civil War no started here. Over Liberia, Master Sergeant Doe. Also, or didn't know who G diamond illegal diamond business. A Chile ne yirisu de no hoji mu. Enu na Akwawi Charles Taylor no. Eso sorry tian. And it ended in a civil war. A former good deal tune.
Nyankoda gudo.
Debi enyankoda kon. Ena omo to no so omo ba na nibreso. Enti wu ukoye nse kokrasa ena membie me. Okwa kono preko. Nyese bejinsem. Eto sumienu. Omahine Ghana 1 square inch bia asase 1 square inch bia da obidia. Wodi akosa wuko si school ana hospital so eho bobo hu asase wura. Enti babia yetu galamse bia no ewura. Ewura no om se den.
Omo ya aware na.
Well, if they are not aware,
Omo ya complicit na.
You must be deemed complicit because you didn't go basic school down was what Kaulie
Kadi Mirikako.
Yes.
Na wedi ya yene gidigidi wa hunzo yi wani.
Bulldozer ne esu warranty.
Mentiye.
Uko konongo town road. And those who own the land must be complicit. I also have 1 or 2 suggestions. But the kind license be a bebano. I was a woman GPS positioning on the quadrants. Assassinating in our board, the thing must be GPS. Enti nim
Ushim.
Only are not too chair. Assassin who are the alloidal owners. Why no more dear? Or hilly bag and now wine the demao. That's 2. Or more the mao also. And you say be a so and so traditional area. so and so traditional area. Why no individuals be dini Ghana card information it was so no. 2, it was said is the law. It was said plan of development and environmental and also now fee if we be final beneficial owner the company in the area when the company into company XYZ the additional data was say XYZ no why no more there one free hafer one Ghana card information one bank sending wine all this must be available and yes it must be on the website of Minerals Commission. Obiya timi ko hwebi untimi print untimi copy but utimi ko hwe se say me feature ha ye tu yi asimesi na hwekire na o ka se company bi na hwekire ebi ani ehun ni enti one piece of information I was here de ka ho the names and details of the lawyers be freedom final beneficial owner ne kura no ade no sika no hwan botom na eko
enti adamu tu no ede beko baby
e was here yire ye ho baby aye de ye kan boko yi de so no yanko na ni breso na unfortunately wo mo ho bon mu no wo mo so na hihye mra no bi minka so bia
I see
minka so bia so no na say na kwa say entimia mensa nyanwo me gare
bedding
enti o say nyina na yesa anuanu gu wo me gare ni ejaidi.
Well, I would have loved to see a bet to us because I would have loved us to talk about the dollar now stability be abem and then your memories at energy ministry and stability in terms of Yakaniano, Ejinasono. What you think is the reasons are Emane Basa, but on the CD, our performance is good against the dollar, right?
Yes, so far.
It's about also why dear.
Why dear Enna Niame bisu dibwaye pa.
Ibini de wen.
Say Trump adaro ma $1 no kure ni mu egu ase. So no. Enna said the omo ye trade international trade instability no. Nobody wants to hold the dollar. Ain't gold prices. Right now gold is about $3,600 a fine ounce. All the commodity prices are going edibwaye. Nese ye produce gold no more sa. Nemo niema bia AC bonu koye pa. Now the projections are that by the end of this year, first quarter next year, gold will hit about $4,200. Ebabwaye pa. So no. Yang srenyame ne enko na saa maye. Na yaso no yan fa suban boni bi enko funyemu. Look, if you read IMF new assessment no moye na, they are warning us against certain things. Intervention in the FX market. Yako $10 ni abesuwe gum for near ya turn for cedis. Na ebinum di omu cedis ato. Emwa. Sa intervention, let the market try and find its own level. At one point, etiba from Nepal, it's because the Bank of Ghana put in about $1 billion in the market in that month. The last year was 300 million. Yes, or more tiso. So no. Dollar ne eba from the bresoa. MY exports. MY exports. In economics, you be dynamic equilibrium. I will say the timid transit calculate say where is the dynamic equilibrium? The last time on me modeling no is around 13.25, 13.5 as our dynamic equilibrium over the year on year to end of 2026. You get a balance between imports and exports. Enko affect the exports too badly. Enti you Ghana for no so yenti ase. Say it's not about a cheap dollar all the time. It's about the exchange rate at a beboa economy no to grow and be sustained.
Well, Torino, I mean, my party,
right or wrong, I stand by you.
My party,
right or wrong, I stand by you. And don't say MPP new bonio.
Well, my Mendasi, when you would you be gracing this platform? Always a pleasure.
That's
to have you around.
When
I'm count on this journey, and I'm hopeful. Say your best share na ya boy and koma ya bo ya trust all in the name of making Ghana a brighter place and a safer place. Thank you.